Hey, Brian Edmondson here. Just want to make a quick video of the Weber Spirit 2, the 2-burner propane grill, in case you're thinking about buying one and just want to hear more about it, see what it looks like. I'm out here grilling some chickens, so I figured, what the heck, let's make a video here. I gotta tell you, this thing is really great. Absolutely love it. We've had this for, I'm guessing, at least 3, 4, could even be 5 years, and you can tell it's in pretty good condition. Holds up really nice. The most important thing I want to mention is the igniter. So this comes with, they call it the Infinity ignition system, and this has worked every single time we've used it. If you've dealt with other grills before, you probably know that the ignition is always the biggest pain in the butt to get working. This one, through all the years, they promise that it lights every time, and so far it has. As I mentioned, this is the 2-burner grill. Let me actually open this up here. There's our chicken grilling up there. So 2 burners, and like most grills, you can just heat up the one side only if you want, or you can use both sides. It does have those flavor panels. There's actually 3 of them on the inside, and then there's also something up here that you can maybe put like buns and stuff on. Let me show you the sides as well. So on both sides, there's a panel to hold some trays or plates. A propane tank on this side. This has really nice measuring, so you can keep track of how low the propane is. And also has these hooks on both sides that do a really great job, I'll show you here, of holding up any utensils you might have. So it's even big enough for like these wider, tongs. That fits right in there. Also has a really nice grease management system. So there's where the grease gets caught, and it's a metal panel, but you can also put tinfoil on it just to keep it extra clean. Swap it out every time you use it. There's also some extra storage area down here as well, and this is real nice and compact. Works great if you have a small family. I think it's big enough, to do a decent amount as well. You can see I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of chicken on there, and there's still plenty of room. So if you're in the market for something like this, we absolutely love it, and I definitely recommend it.